Dear students, in this video we are going to study about the layers of atmosphere, weather and climate. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. They are the troposphere, the stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Let us study about all these layers one by one with the help of a diagram that is drawn on the board. The lowermost layer of atmosphere, that is the troposphere, it extends up to 8 to 18 kilometers. Otherwise, we can say that the troposphere is 8 to 18 kilometers thick. All the weather changes and the natural process occurring in the troposphere region. The natural happenings such as the cloud formation, the bursting, erupting of volcanoes and the wind formation, all these occur in the troposphere. In the troposphere, the biological process such as flowering, growth, dispersal and the birth, death, all these occur in the troposphere region of the atmosphere. About 3/4 of the mass of the total atmosphere is coming or lies in the troposphere region. The tropos means turning. That is the temperature and the weather conditions change in the troposphere. The troposphere protects the earth from becoming too hot and also becoming too cold. So it is an important layer for us. We get life-giving oxygen for our survival, and also the plants get carbon dioxide from this layer. Then children, the second layer of atmosphere, that is the stratosphere. The stratosphere extends up to 50 kilometers. The stratosphere, the air is thin. In the stratosphere, a region of ozone is there. That region is called the ozonosphere or ozone layer. The ozone layer is very important for the animals and organisms because the ozone layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. So it is known as the protective shield of the earth. The third layer of atmosphere is the mesosphere. The mesosphere extends up to 80 kilometers. Students, you must understand that the layers of atmosphere, almost the division is given, but you must understand that there is no barrier between each layers, and the scientists cannot understand that, or precisely we cannot say that from this much height to that much height exactly the layers are existing. We must understand that the layers overlap each other and merge each other. So children, the second layer of atmosphere was, that is the stratosphere. The third layer of atmosphere, that is the mesosphere. The meteors or the shooting stars show their trails in the mesosphere region of the atmosphere. In the mesosphere, the temperature becomes less. The temperature comes up to minus 85 degrees Celsius. It drops up to minus 85 degrees Celsius. In the mesosphere, the meteoroids that come from the space, that come with very high speed, due to friction with the atmosphere, it catches fire and the meteoroids show as a streak of light and they are called the shooting stars. The